Making a web series is always challenging because it gives you the latitude to develop all characters, all incidents, all drama and make it engaging.
For me to play the negative character in it was like I really enjoyed every moment because I could enjoy being bad.
कब तक बर्बाद होते रहोगे? जीते जी स्वर्ग में जीने का मौका मिल रहा है.
Ashram was a well-developed story brought to me by the platform MX Player.
I was happily surprised to see that it dealt with the whole point of view of the common innocent people who get trapped.
हमारे देश में लोग विश्वास करना शुरू करते हैं तो बाढ़ से आ जाते हैं.
It's all based on a society, what's happening around us. There are criminals and con men around us and how people get power hungry. So there's a lot of people from different professions who get involved to benefit themselves. I think it was a very interesting subject.
मैं आप सबको मोक्ष की राह पर लेके जाऊंगा. जपनाम, जपनाम, जपनाम.
I needed a person with very innocent kind of image, very good kind of image, and because the darkness inside, I didn't want that to be reflected on the face, and Bobby fitted the bill very well.
When I heard the subject, I was like, wow, this is very interesting. But then when he said that he wanted me to play the character of Baba, I was like, for a few seconds I was a little surprised, but at the same time very excited because I was looking for something very different, and here I was being given something in my hands.
बॉबी भाई की एक कमाल की इमेज है. वो एक स्टार हैं बहुत बड़े और उन्होंने हमेशा सोल्जर सोल्जर और हमेशा हीरोइक फिल्में की हैं. इस तरह का शेड उन्होंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था और उनके अंदर एक चार्म है, एक उनकी एक पर्सनैलिटी है रॉयल, जो एक बाबा जी के लिए चाहिए था रॉयल्टी जो होती है एक इंसान के अंदर, वो उनके अंदर है.
We needed a fresh kind of look, we needed fresh kind of presence, and we worked on it. I think the costume director, Bobby himself, me, the makeup people, the dialogue and action person, I mean, we all kind of worked towards creating this Baba.
He told me one thing about the character, that it is someone who is such an aura, he's such an influencer in his way of his appearance and the way he talks, that he doesn't have to try really hard to convince people. He has to be very collected, very calm. That's what I kept in mind. I mean, I didn't try to play it like a caricature kind of a Baba. I just wanted to play it like how I would feel if I was a Baba.
I think people will be shocked to see what Mr. Bobby Deol has done with the role of Baba Nirala in this show. It's unlike he's ever done anything before, I think, and I think he's quite excelled in that part.
The casting was amazing for Ashram. I think all these actors who were selected for their specific characters did a great job. I think everybody put their heart and soul in it. You could just feel it when you were performing with my co-actors. I mean, there was Chandan, who was always with me. He was Opa Swami. Then with Sachin, who was the minister I interacted a lot with. Then there was Tushar, who played Sakti. And then there was Aditi, who was Pammi, Tridha.
I had to maintain the calm, like there's turbulence inside the girl, but then she can't show it. So that's a point which I had to be very careful with, that the chirpy Tridha is not what Babita is, so I had to rule that out.
The one thing which Mr. Jha also told me to bring in his character, which I tried, which people have liked who saw, is like whatever he's thinking, nobody can see what is going on in his head.
एक बार जो आश्रम आ गया ना, तो U-turn तो ना आए कोई.
So that's what Bhopa is. He's a very mischievous guy, talks less but does more.
Those 25 years I waited to work with him. I think he got the best out of all of us, gave us amazing characters to play, and it's just very lucky that I got a chance to work with him after 25 years.
I always liked something which is so real, in this world. जितनी भी उनकी scripts है, in a very real space scenario, so the whole of India kind of roots for him.
His projects, his films are known for their grand scale. Just to bring together everyone and with so many parallel plot lines happening. It is his experience, it is his wisdom, it is his intelligence and creativity that so many things have been told over the course of the series.
When I'm acting, obviously I'm acting and thinking about my character, but also in between shots when I have time I used to watch him, how he designed his shots, because he's an editor, he's an actor, he's a writer, he's a director, he's a producer. He was a politician before, then he's a social activist, and he's into social service. So there's so much he does, and he's into fitness.
He was like an inspiration because he had set up a gym specially for all the actors, and yet get up early in the morning and have the energy to work out. That was awesome.
Sangram Singh was a tremendous physical kind of instructor, guide, leader. He sort of agreed to choreograph the wrestling sequence, and he trained the wrestlers, the female wrestlers who are involved.
To work with Sangram, who's a great medalist wrestler, who's an awesome guy also because we used to play cricket in the breaks.
We were very lucky because at the place that we were shooting, it had a wrestling academy, and we got everything that we needed for that. We just were caught in the middle of bitter winter. Sometimes I really used to pity and shiver, and I used to be very concerned about actors who had to do summer scenes, and they had to take off their warm clothes during evenings and nights. It was especially very difficult.
We were freezing in Ayodhya, and I still remember I used to wear the saris and everything. So Aditi and me particularly were given the just the salwar and the saris and all. So बहुत ठंडी में we had to shoot. It was not easy.
Most of Aki's costumes were Pathani suits, so I used to be wearing a jacket, and right before the takes we would take off our jacket and then do the scene. I remember there was one time when I tried to speak but my mouth couldn't open because it was that cold.
मेरी जो वर्दी थी उसके अंदर मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था कि थर्मल मैं पहनूं, बट वो थर्मल दिखता था क्योंकि वो बहुत ही फिटिंग वाली मेरी वर्दी थी, तो मैं वो भी नहीं कर पाता था। और उससे ऊपर मुझे बाइक चलानी होती थी या कहीं चेज करना होता था तो मैं कांप रहा होता था।
Ashram is what Ashram is because of every single individual who worked, toiled and put in their best.
In a country full of fake godmen, we are making a point, and Prakash sir is always known to make this point with the bravery and courage.
जब विश्वास अंधविश्वास में बदल जाता है तभी आपके साथ विश्वासघात होता है, तो आप किसी पर इतना विश्वास मत कीजिए कि आप अपना तन मन धन सब न्यौछावर कर दें।
Everyone has put in so much effort in season 1 that we all are looking forward to be on set again for season 2, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. It's going to have some twists and turns which you'll all are definitely going to enjoy.
Even bigger drama, even more engaging, and all the characters bloom and come to life.